Dear sirs, Rialex Crane Systems and ZKS Roman Grzelak are modern Polish companies in the market of hoisting and hauling equipment and steel structures. The companies were founded in the beginning of the 90s, and presently they operate in all regions of Poland and selected markets of the Eastern and Western Europe. The company's mission is to provide comprehensive services to firms ranging from designing, through production, delivery and assembly to service of equipment supplied. A range of products offered includes a wide choice of steel constructions, hoisting cranes, railway subgrades and control and power systems. Our main customers include companies from the heavy industry, chain of hypermarkets and power energy sectors, as well as wholesalers and design offices. Due to gained experience, consistent development and extended offer, our companies became modern, resilient companies with more than 200 workers and dynamically increasing turnover. The quality of services offered by Rialex Crane Systems and ZKS Roman Grzelak has been appreciated both in Poland and abroad. Subsequent investments realized by our companies strengthened our position in the market of hoisting cranes and steel construction. Have a brief look at our latest projects realized. The realization involved designing, construction, supply and assembly of 21 overhead cranes with subgrades and 7 post derricks for Famor from Katowice, a leader in the market of mining equipment. A totally different project involved designing, supply and assembly of specialist systems for transport of rails in Maurice in Tychy. The system of 4 overhead cranes is capable of transporting of up to 5 rails with a length of 75 meters. The system of 16 hoists with a lifting capacity of 10 tons each is capable of transporting up to 5 rails with a length of 300 meters. Heavy overhead cranes always constitute interesting projects and challenges with respect to their design, construction and logistic issues. The team of engineers, logistic workers and fitters of Rialex Crane Systems performed an excellent task which involved designing, supply and assembly of 2 overhead cranes with lifting capacity of 40 tons and span of 30 meters for Loader from Zamość. The project involved designing, production, delivery and assembly of a specialist overhead travelling crane with lifting capacity of 6.3 tons and span of 20 meters, including crane beams and crane track with span of 55 meters, designed for assembly and renovation works in hydro power plants, TVAG AG Konertal, Austria. Project involved production, delivery and assembly of steel construction of Toyota Sheets car showroom in Opole. This realization required the use of different construction materials in order to distinguish the office, car showroom and workshop parts. Project involved production, delivery and assembly of new construction of the roof of Palm House in Grzelak. Assembly of different areas over the existing exhibits was performed by experienced and qualified to work at heights assemblers of ZKS Roman Grzelak. Production, delivery and assembly of steel construction of shopping centre Ogrody Odzieńska in Kędzierzyn-Koźle required from engineers of ZKS Roman Grzelak. During the production stage, the use of few technologies and keeping the special work organization regime. Substantial part of steel constructions was galvanized. The next example of realizations that involved big steel structures of business objects performed by ZKS Roman Grzelak are Tesco hypermarkets in Jelenia Góra and Krapkowice. Numerous references confirm a very high position of our companies in the market of hoisting and hauling equipment and steel constructions. Dear sirs, by expecting solutions using the recent complex technology, you do not have to resign from functionality and reliability. Specialists working in Rialex crane systems and ZKS Roman Grzelak know that simplicity is the essence of excellence, and simplicity results from years of experience and permanent work over improvement of their own qualifications. Permanent improvement of the quality of services allows us to undertake realization of projects which require the use of innovative technology, and the excellent knowledge about the market enables us to adjust to individual financial possibilities of investor, assuring high quality of services. You can turn to us with each order connected with designing, production, delivery and assembly of steel constructions and hoisting and hauling equipment. Rialex Crane Systems, ZKS Roman Grzelak, your partners in business.